As a part of my role, we're investigating microchips or any failure within the microchips which are tested in our test department, and they are sent it to us and we're trying to find what's wrong with them. My career path started as an operator in manufacturing, and because I was more curious about what are we actually making, I made a decision to apply for a job within the failure analysis department. I worked my way through and my curiosity took me through the work experience to be as a senior failure analysis technician. My plan is to become an engineer, so that's the way I want to go. We use a lot of skills, but within my department we definitely use paying attention to the details. That's the most important because we are actually investigating what's wrong. So there could be something really tiny wrong with the microchip and we have to find out, so paying attention to the detail. What do I enjoy about my role is actually everything. I just love my job. It's every day is different, and my job is just amazing, and I really enjoy to work in this company. What I would say to young people, if they're considering the engineering, is definitely go for it. It's the future. It's the future of everything. I would say the microchips, you can find them everywhere, and yeah, this is the future. So let's just go for it.